Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Dr. Unani. Do your periods leave you drained, tired, or passing big clots? You're not alone. Heavy periods, or menorrhagia, affect about 1 in 5 women at some point. Today, I'll explain why this happens, what your body is trying to tell you, and how modern medicine and Unani approaches can help. By the end, you'll also get tips you can apply immediately for smoother cycles. What is a heavy period? Scientifically, a heavy period is soaking more than one pad or tampon for several hours, lasting more than 7 days, passing clots bigger than a coin. In Unani medicine, heavy flow is often due to soot, dam, excess blood, or imbalance in humors, either hot, dry or moist blood. Recognizing what's normal and what's heavy is the first step to taking control of your health. Common causes. Number 1. J2 hormonal imbalance. Estrogen and progesterone imbalance thickens the uterine lining. Common in teens, PCOS, thyroid disorders, or perimenopause. Stress, sudden weight changes, or dieting can worsen hormones. Number 2. Uterine conditions. Fibroids, non-cancerous growths in the uterus. Polyps, small tissue growths. Adenomyosis, uterine lining grows into the muscle. Number 3. Medical conditions or medications. Blood disorders, anemia, liver, kidney disease. Certain medications like blood thinners or hormonal contraceptives. Symptoms or warning signs. Feeling constantly tired or dizzy may indicate anemia. Passing large clots. Periods lasting more than 7 days. Sudden worsening of flow. Pain beyond usual cramps. Unani perspective. Hot humors, dam can cause burning, excessive flow, or irritation. Moist humors may lead to prolonged periods. Diagnosis. Modern. History, blood tests, CBC, thyroid, hormones, ultrasound or MRI for uterus. Unani, pulse examination, tongue observation, diet and lifestyle review. Often, combining both approaches gives the most complete picture. Treatment or management, modern medicine. NSAIDs to reduce pain and bleeding. Hormonal therapy, pills, IUD, injections. Surgery, fibroid removal or endometrial ablation if necessary. Unani or natural remedies. Herbs that strengthen blood vessels and balance humors, dandelion, cinnamon, ginger, raspberry leaf. Diet, iron-rich foods, avoid excess hot, oily foods if humor imbalance. Lifestyle, yoga, moderate exercise, stress reduction. Warm compress for cramps. Daily tips, track cycles to detect changes. Hydrate or eat balanced meals. Avoid skipping meals or crash diets. When to see a doctor. If heavy bleeding causes fatigue, anemia, or fainting. Periods longer than 7 days consistently. Sudden worsening flow. Large clots are severe pain. Heavy periods are more than just an inconvenience. They're your body's signal that something might be off. Modern medicine and Unani approaches together can help you regain balance and comfort. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe.